Hey guys, welcome to Lognews. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Seamless AI account online on your PC. And now let's dive right in. How to log into your Seamless AI account on your computer. First, open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in seamless.ai like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Seamless AI login like this and hit on enter, and you can see there is the login.seamless.ai page by the seamless.ai itself. Click over there and you'll be on the direct login page of the Seamless AI like this, whereas on the first tab we're still on the home page of the Seamless AI. And on this home page, you can see at the top right corner of this page there's login, there's a get a demo, and there's a get started free button available over here. If you click on the get started for free button, you will be able to sign up for the Seamless AI account from over here, but we'll not be doing that. We'll be clicking on login and we'll be signing into our Seamless AI. Now from over here, you can also choose log into your Seamless AI with your Google or your Facebook or your LinkedIn or your Okta account from these buttons. If you click on either of these buttons, or respective login page to your Google or Facebook or LinkedIn or your Okta account will open. And if you log into your Google or Facebook, LinkedIn or Okta account on the page that open from these buttons like this one, you will be signed into your Seamless AI account with these accounts itself. Similarly on this case also, because these two pages are same, let's close one of these. And with that being said, we will be signing into our Seamless AI account with our email like this by entering our email and our password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on the forgot password button available over here to go to a procedure to retrieve your Seamless AI account's password. With that being said, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login and then you will be able to sign into your Seamless AI account online on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.